What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Honda Odyssey remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2025 Honda Odyssey, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now, some people will use the emergency key to open the key fob case, and that does work. You can stick this part of it kind of in here like that and then twist and pry the two halves apart, or you can even come in here with the blade like this and pry it apart. But what I prefer to do, and there's a lot less risk of damaging the case, is to use a flathead screwdriver. So with the buttons facing up, if we take a look at the bottom of it, what I'm going to do is get my screwdriver in between this black plastic and the silver metal piece, slide it in there like that, then just pry up. Then before I open it, I'm going to flip it over so the buttons are facing down and take the back cover off. And we can see our battery right here. Now I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, then snap the battery down into place. And now if your circuit board is moved around, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like it needs to be. Then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.